is the subjects of living things. There are different types of questions. In one part, 35 objective multiple choice types, and in the second type questions, short answer type, or may be asked in your upcoming examinations. There's a question number 1: why adaptation on wind pollination of flowers? You know very well that pollination is done by different methods, but here you have to write the why adaptation in wind pollination of flowers. So there are the following reasons: enormous amount of pollen grains. The second reason is a small flowers. The third one is the flower is a small, light, smooth and dry pollen grains. And the fourth reason is stigma longy and easily. So it moves from one place to another place. This is done by the wind pollinated flowers. The second question is, why did Mendel select pea as his experimental material? You may write, it is a self-fertilization plant and thus shows purity. Due to purity, Mendel selected pea as his experimental work. Another question: write two major functions each of the testis and ovary. In testis, you know, in male it produces spermatozoa and secretes. Secretes means होता है, स्रावित करता है, निकालता है मेल सेक्स हार्मोन्स और टेस्टोस्टेरोन, यही से जो है स्पर्म निकलता है जेंट्स के टेस्टिस से। एंड ओवरी जो है इट प्रोड्यूसेस ओवा मींस एग्स, एग निकालती है महिलाएं। एंड secretes the female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. Next question is, why is hemophilia called bleeding disease? Why is hemophilia called bleeding disease? In hemophilic persons, clotting of blood takes longer durations from an hour to 24 hours. In this case, large amount of blood is coming out from the body. If persons bleed excessively from even minor wounds, minor cuts, continuous bleeding may cause death. So it is called a bleeding disease. So hemophilia is called bleeding disease. Next question is like this: define congenital disease. What is congenital disease? So congenital disease are carried from one generation to another. They are caused by gene mutation, chromosomal aberration, environmental factors. These are the reasons. For example, sickle cell anemia. Anemia is shortage of blood. Hemoglobin in the blood, hemoglobin reduced. And sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, color blindness, etc. These are the diseases in the category of congenital disease. These are present right from birth and are expressed in the form of errors in metabolism and defective body development. Someone's secondary growth हो जाएगा, किसी जेंट्स को देखिएगा पेट कैसे निकल गया रहता है. And in the body you will see several persons are now very aware from health consciousness, and they are doing 15 to 1 hours or half hours daily exercise is necessary, because metabolism and the environmental factor is responsible for our deformed body cells. And everyone wants to fit in his life, upcoming life. Thank you very much for your patience here.
God.